shit died on me, like just like that, bro. What the fuck? So I'm gonna let y'all see the fucking vibe. Something a little slight. Slight for y'all. I'ma just let that be known. You got the man. Oh, hold on, I gotta show the DJ. Doing the light. I forgot how they did it. You know, it is what it is. But we vibing out this way. You know, I'm gonna let y'all. Take out through the vibes, let y'all know what the city of Houston is really working with. Feel me? Every Wednesday we out here with it. Y'all tune in, y'all check in, alright? But you know how we rock. Alright, y'all. BLive.Brando. If you don't know, now you know. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight, it's the same moves. It's a Wednesday. About to go out to this poetry night. See who we talk to. Who we might meet, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, that's basically it for the intro. But I get back at you whenever we make it, or if I got some interesting shit to show you type shit. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, same shit, different day. We just really making our way to the venue. While vlogging. But you know, same shit, different day. Buddy leading the way like he know where he going.
See, all I remember is go to the street.
My nigga knows. That's all that matters. Hey bro, on a scale of 1 to 10, how lit do I look, y'all? How do I look lit? Yeah. No? Good. Man, I had a hefty ass lunch today, man. You got, bro, just for y'all who is keeping up with me type shit, y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, see all the behind the scenes, see more of like, you know, get to know me a little bit more. But it was a hefty ass lunch today. I had some crazy ass drinks, basically the bartender special. You ever had, what the fuck did I have? You ever had carpaccio? I had some carpaccio.
Hey, IDs?
No IDs. I'm chewing this gum hard as fuck. What?
The coffee, I'm sorry. I didn't expect you to say that.
It is what it is, y'all. Trying to get the woo, get a lot of the pimp juice. Buddy over here talking about he needed to wet his beak. Go to the left. There you go.
Did we need a crosser or something this side?
What's up?
Did we need the crosser or something this side?
You need a what?
Did we need the crosser or
right here, bro. We here.
Right here?
Yeah. Another nice little taco truck over here and shit.
That's what I got to drink?
Follow me. I'll show you the way. They don't have food, so like. I know I'm just talking.
Oh.
But nice to know that. Right? You know. Oh snap. Tell me how I forgot. Yeah, go ahead. Bro, the biggest L you can make, I left my, you know how this gum, I don't want y'all seeing the gum while I'm talking. I left my fucking money in the car. Well, I got my car. I'm tripping. Huh? I believe it's like $10. Alright, y'all, I'll check out whenever, you know, we're doing something up.
What say you in 3, 2, and 1?
But I will say, like, a lot, more than half. There you go. Alright, y'all, man. So basically, this is what it is, man. I'm out here vibing, enjoying the day, enjoying it. I guess it's night now, you feel me? So I guess I'm enjoying the night. Really just on some vibes, seeing what's kicking out here and what's popping, man. You know, out of all the little experiences that I had out here, this is really kind of like, I don't know. Basically, I ain't come early enough for me to go ahead and catch a seat, so I'm just standing the whole time. Ain't nothing wrong with standing, but nigga be tired, bro. I be so tired, bro. Like, I'm a tall ass man, trying to goddamn, trying to stand up, bro. My knees can only take so much as is, bro. It's only so much I can take out here. But yeah. Let me go ahead and take the hat off, let y'all know how I'm working. Shit's really, remember, sweated out the inside of the hat, hosted. I ain't dirty, so don't think the hat gonna be brown, you feel me? It ain't never like that, you feel me? It's a clean cap. But damn, man. Y'all can see the goddamn sweat marks on the shirt. Some nigga sitting here sweating his ass off in this bitch. I've really been sweating my ass off in this bitch, bro. Like, god damn. But man, I mean, really shit popping. You got Brody over here, really. He ain't doing shit. Say what's up to the people at home, man. Where can they find you at? What's your Instagram? It's crazy how everybody be camera shy when they first, like, when I put this hoe on, everybody don't want to say nothing, but like later on throughout the video, watch how you hear this nigga start talking though. Like, it's crazy. Y'all don't seen it, but if y'all see me out here in public though, do not be afraid to come up and say what's up. You feel me? Like, it's never a stress to me. I ain't never gonna turn you away. I don't really be doing shit other than saying hey and what's up. You hear me? But yeah, you know the vibes is. I'll check out whenever, like, I really got some shit going on for y'all, alright? But other than that, deuces. And I'll catch you at the next scene. Alright, y'all, so basically I'm about to order a drink because the nigga, you know what his beat. Yeah, what you drinking?
What you feeling?
Let me ask you a question. You know how to make a gimlet?
Or tequila passion fruit.
Where you gonna get that?
Gimlet crisp, gin, cinnamon, lime. That was a gin, or vodka.
Is that what you're drinking?
What?
A gimlet. What you want? You gonna try his breath? What you got up there? Let me just get the Bombay. Yeah, I'm a bit more of a classier type. I bet it's not every day you hear people asking for a gimlet, huh?
Yeah.
You do?
The adults.
My fault. My apologies.
They come to the house, we expect some adults to be here.
Okay, for sure, absolutely.
But you asked for a vodka, which is unique.
I don't want a vodka. I got Bombay gin.
Well, initially, someone said vodka.
No, he did. You ain't gonna lie. He did.
Well, that's the original gimlet.
Okay. Put me on there.
In the 90s.
Okay. When were you born? You wasn't born in the 90s?
No, I just moisturized.
Oh, okay. I feel that.
Reagan.
Okay. Shit. Damn, hold on. The 80s? Are you videoing me? Huh? Are you videoing me? You want to be on video? No? Okay. The camera is directed towards me. I'm looking at myself here.
Warrants are still active. If you made that good, I'm not going to get too bored.
Go ahead and grab a straw. Go ahead and take some.
I want to see, because I know if he messed it up. He might have done good.
I didn't destroy it. So, get it right for me. We're gonna close it out. Fuck, I put my wallet at. Green. What's up? Yes, sir. My fault, y'all. How inconsiderate. Cheers. Thank you. Oh yeah. I'm trying to let y'all know. Y'all be out here trying to shit on Jen, but Jen really that shit. Ask your uncle about it. Jen that shit. This nigga out here making a mess. You spilled that.
I didn't even see it.
Buddy out here tripping. We're really just out here rocking, waiting for the party to start upstairs. See what the vibes is in that hoe, you feel me? What's up?
You good?
I'm just talking. I low-key be in the zone, just be talking to myself.
You want to go back out there? Or?
No, bro. Talk loud. Say what your chest.
You want to go back out there, or what you want to do?
Thank you.
Oh, my bad.
Hold on, let me sign this. Hey, y'all remember to tip y'all servers and bartenders. 20% is always appreciated. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and bless buddy. It's always appreciated. It's always appreciated. Let's cop the same seats. Let's cop the same seats. Let's cop the same seats.
Oh yeah, for sure. 100.
Okay. Oh man, don't spill the drink. Hey, watch your stuff, cause what the fuck was that?
The one that caught me was the child of Jesus.
Yeah, that was.
God damn. Damn, y'all. Got me thinking the same thing. I was like, I looked outside the window and I seen it. Come on, big fella. Shit, we might as well, hold on. Might as well cop a seat over here, man.
What?
Might as well cop a seat over here. You already know we ain't getting nothing over there. Sheesh. Hold on, y'all. But man, I'm here at the poetry slam, but I ain't here at the poetry slam type shit. You know what I mean? It was cool while it lasted. But I'm gonna catch it. Whenever I got some more shit to show you. If not, then not.
This is your
I ain't gonna cap. This hoe out here bustin'. Hey, I ain't gonna cap to y'all. So look, I ain't gonna cap to you. I don't cop a seat in this bitch. Y'all already know I'm gonna catch a nigga lacking in this motherfucker. I don't really give a fuck. But this music is blaring. I ain't gonna cap to you. Hold on, let me give y'all a little look to it though, like on some real shit though. Cause like it's really not that bad out here.
Missing two judges, Haley and Trent. Okay, see you on the line. You got Trent. Okay, you got both monkeys. Both of
It's
them.
really not even that crazy out here. But man, hopefully I show y'all like someone performing or whatever. But if not, it's not meant to be. But We here with it, and I hope y'all stick around and y'all loving it. Cause I'm just really showing y'all around the city and just show y'all what I be up to, and where the places to go whenever y'all looking for a vibe. Y'all ever visit the city of Houston, alright? So y'all lock in, cause I'ma lock in with you. Oh shit, you want another sip though? Alright, for sure. There you go. Absolutely. Other than that, I'll catch y'all later though. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for coming out to my channel. I'm sorry my battery about to die, but man, BLive.Brando, if you don't know, now you know. Welcome. I appreciate y'all coming through and seeing my channel. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Sorry this one had to end too short, but it is what it is. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Don't forget to like, comment, leave a subscribe, subscribe and do all that shit. And be sure to come back for like the next video. So I'll catch y'all later.